Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the YouTube app or desktop and signing into the channel you'll use. Once done, tap the Create Plus icon or the Upload button, select your vertical 9/16 video between 15 and 60 seconds. Make sure your file name and basic metadata are ready. A concise title, a short description, and relevant hashtags like #shorts to help discovery. While uploading, choose a quick thumbnail or let YouTube pick one. This gets the process moving immediately, so you can focus on details next. Once your file uploads, make explicit choices so YouTube knows how to treat the short. Add a clear title with 1-2 keywords and include #shorts. Write a short description that adds context and a call to action. Next, pick visibility, public to publish now, unlisted for a private link, or scheduled to publish later, and assign a playlist for organization. Make sure to select the audience setting, not made for kids if applicable, and add tags. These steps fine-tune reach and ensure correct platform handling. Finish by reviewing your title, description, thumbnail, and visibility one last time, then hit publish or schedule. After publishing, monitor the first 24 to 48 hours for views, retention, and click-through rate. Make tweaks to future shorts if retention drops. If something goes wrong, upload fails, processing stalls, or vertical display is wrong, try re-exporting at a lower bitrate, clearing cache, or uploading from the mobile app. These fixes resolve most problems quickly, so your short can reach viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.